energy. Really? Cleaning time? You mad? Don't angry, okay? You're handsome. You are handsome. Ang sofa set namin punong-puno ng bedsheet. Kinoveran ko lahat para kasi brown yan eh. Parang tela. So, para happy siya sa sofa set. Ay, sus, Mariosep. Really?